Hey, I just transcribed something, but the results seem kind of wrong. What happened? Well, a transcription that seems off can have multiple reasons. So let's go through the most common mistakes and how to fix them. First mistake, no singled out instruments. Our models are trained to transcribe a single instrument each, which means you should only upload recordings of singled out instruments. A song with multiple instruments, for example, can still be transcribed with our apps, but you will need a lot of manual editing to make it useful. Next, audio quality. Make sure to upload your audio in an appropriate quality. But what is appropriate quality, you may ask? Don't worry, you don't need a studio or professional recording equipment. The mic on your smartphone is actually good enough, and you can use the Klangio mobile applications to record and transcribe your instruments all in one go. Simply try it out, and when you're done recording, have a listen to yourself first. Is your recording distorted? Although it's good to place your mic close to the instrument, distortion or clipping means your mic can't handle the volume of the instrument. Simply move your mic a little further from the instrument and try it again. Noise from your surroundings, like traffic or people talking. To mute down distracting audio sources, close the doors and windows and tell your friends to shush for a couple seconds. Sloppy playing? An accurate transcription can only be made by accurate playing. Makes sense, right? So don't stress yourself. Get a cup of tea and rather play slow and clearly if you can't keep up. And keep in mind that even professionals need a couple tries until they get it right. Still no good results? Try out the retranscribe function to add additional information to your recordings. And if you're still not satisfied, you can always refund your transcription to get back your token and try out a different piece. Also note, we're a startup, so we're constantly researching, improving and implementing new features to make our transcriptions more reliable and your life easier. So your feedback, positive and negative, is always welcome and very appreciated.